The M37's on the lift, and it had a noise going down the road. And I don't know about you, but there seems to be a problem here. I feel like there's supposed to be a bolt in that hole. Like, I could be wrong, but this one also should not be this. And then, these are tight. These are good. But then we got the front. I'd like to mention. Same thing. I mean, this front bolt is also loose. Like, finger tight loose. This one is loose. This one is loose. So all four of them are loose in the front. We have one loose in the back, one missing. The other two are good. They're holding it on, probably. They're the reason it didn't come off. And then, well, the front drive shaft, she's solid as a rock. She's all good. Our little shaft here, the transfer case is good. But then, the M37 has one other problem that's probably also a contributing noise. Hear that? Yeah. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say probably wheel bearing. This one, see, fine. Nice and quiet. Rear. Other rear. Other than that, everything's fine. Besides, the every gearbox leaks, but that's just M37 stuff. All these do that. And it does have a massive oil leak on the engine that I could fix, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to keep shoving oil in it. So that's it. It's fine. Everything is fine. We don't need to fix this.